In this video, I'm going to show you how to do the 4-move checkmate, which is also called scholar's mate. To do the 4-move checkmate, you start with e4, or your king pawn up 2. This lets out your bishop and your queen, both of the pieces that are involved in the checkmate. So a lot of times black will play e5, and you will play bishop c4. So you're threatening this f7 pawn. And then most of the time black plays knight c6. And then you can play queen f3 is one option to attack the pawn that way. You can also play queen to h5, which is what I would recommend, because you're attacking that pawn and the e5 pawn. Now in this case, this pawn is defended by the knight, so you're not going to take it, but sometimes they don't play this knight c6 move and you can actually capture this pawn. But in any case, the goal is to attack f7 with both pieces, the bishop and the queen. So a lot of players for black will bring their knight out to attack your queen, and that's very bad, and you simply capture f7, checkmate, because black cannot recapture because your bishop on c4 defends your queen. Now, I just want to caution you that although it's cool to get checkmate in 4 moves, I would personally never play this, and a lot of strong players would never play this opening because it's just not good for white if black knows how to stop it. So if you're playing against somebody who's seen it before or can figure out what to do to prevent it, you're going to end up in a worse position. So just keep that in mind if you decide to try this. If you're curious how to prevent it and what black can do to stop it, I'm going to link another video, I think somewhere above my head or also in the description below, on how to prevent the 4-move checkmate. So look at that and you'll be able to kind of know the best way to prevent it. That's all for this video. I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up if you learned something, and good luck in your next chess game.